Alrighty, hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be tracking some severe thunderstorms here. I was not expecting for some of these storms to be very active today. Apparently they are, so apparently the GFS with all the ingredients or stuff was kind of on the low side of things here. So we got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right now we got 6 active tornado warnings. All the 5 of them are in North Carolina. Got one that just crossed it to Virginia. All these areas here have got strong area of rotations going on with that. Did not check social media yet, but here you go. Here's your updated outlook for today. You see there's a moderate risk for portions of Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. I was kind of surprised for a moderate risk here. So your tornado threat's going to be at 10%. We're not going to be seeing any strong tornadoes today. But your damaging winds is going to be your big time threat. Talking about a 45% chance of heavy damaging winds in a 25-mile radius. And since it's significant, we may even get wind gusts 75 plus from these storms. So you're also going to have some flash flooding issues, especially for there's been some flooding issues in the Smoky Mountains there. They got all kinds of flash flood warnings in there. Your severe weather threat doesn't continue all the way down into Florida. They're not done yet. So your squall line is basically stretching from Virginia all the way back down into Florida. That's your basic area for right now here. Your hail threat, however, is going to be on the low end side. So you'll probably get to see some small hail with some of these storms. We're going to see here. Now, we'll see if we got any, let's see here. Do we have any storm reports? I know we have a lot of them. Yeah, we have 217 wind reports. Most of them have been in South Carolina, Florida, and Georgia. There's 4 tornado reports. Things like 3 of those are in South. There's 1 into Virginia. So right now, we do not have active tornadoes for right now, but we do have definite damaging winds there. There's no hail reports. So, yeah. But I guess what we can do here, we go to hazards. So we're going to click on this map here. We're going to go smack middle into Raleigh radar here. That's the most active area right now. Seems like a new tornado warning came up. Yeah, look at all these tornado warnings. You got a tornado warning up there, there, and that's going to be one right there. Your orange box severe thunderstorm warnings there. So, yeah. See here. Do they seriously do not have? They better have radar. They should have radar. Yeah, there they go. Should be working, hopefully. No, this here does not move. Well, that's bad. Okay. So it's not really updated yet, but this is the best radar I could give to you guys here. If you got any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment section. I mean, not comment. I mean, in the chat. I do apologize if live stream does lag. I don't really know how to fix that problem. So we're just going to deal with it. So you got Raleigh here, Fayetteville. That's a large city. It's right now. Okay, we just got a new tornado warning. So Fayetteville, you're in a tornado warning. I'm going to take a look at velocities here. We got multiple areas of rotation. It looks like we have 3 areas of rotation in these storms right down here. If we go a little bit up to the north, oh boy, that's a trailing line of rotations. There's another 3 area of rotation here. one here, here, and another one back here. Strong area of rotation about to cross into Virginia. There's another area of strong rotation that's just crossed into Virginia. Let's see here. So the Rocky Mount one, there's an area of rotation. It seems like it's starting to kind of die down some. Very strong area of rotation here. Stantonburg, North Carolina. Expect a new tornado warning to come out of that, that's for sure. So we got a new tornado warning, got it closer to Raleigh. I know that's a very large city, been there before. So this tornado warning goes in for Lillington, North Carolina. Anger, you're not in a tornado warning just yet, but you might get into one in just a moment. So Raleigh, you gotta watch these storms here because these storms here do have a chance to produce a tornado. It seems like those areas of rotation are starting to broaden out, except for the several one there. That's a strong area. That's near Hope Mills there. Okay, new tornado warning. This is going to go for Fayetteville again. That's going to be for the southern part one. So Fayetteville, you're in 2 tornado warnings for 2 areas of circulations here. Seems like the first one died out. You got a new one came in. So, yeah, bad luck for those guys, that's for sure. So Fayetteville, stay in your shelter. A new tornado warning just came out. This is going to be for Rocky Mount. Just like I said, for that area of rotation, you may get a new area of rotation trying to develop near Sharpsburg, heading towards Rocky Mount. Oh boy. So, very active day here in North Carolina and Virginia. We'll get into this as well. They're not the only ones. So, Virginia, you gotta watch these storms here. Here you go. Here's your new tornado warnings here. So there was a new tornado warning for that cell. You see, there is 4 in there. There's 3 in there. So if you're in this here, you're in 3 different tornado warnings. There's 2 areas of rotation up here, very strong area of rotation going on down on that cell. Right in there. This radar does not move. Myrtle Beach, they're a very popular tourist attraction. You're in a severe thunderstorm warning. That's going to be going in for a squall on there. Your green box way up there is a flash flood warning where they're being a lot of rain. It's also mountainous terrain, a lot of hills, so you get increased flash flooding threat. And this tornado warning seems like it's been canceled near Fayetteville. But Fayetteville, you're still in a new tornado warning, so we're going to see how these tornado warning storms are going to progress here. So very dangerous storms here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Twitter here and see what we got here. Seems like if we got any word for any social media. I was planning on to do an Easter video today, but that's going to be interrupted by these severe storms here. Tornado warning storms. So we gotta watch these storms very closely. Okay, let's see here. That's 1 hour ago. So we had a tornado earlier today near St. Matthews. So I think I can confirm this is a severe weather outbreak. Here, I'm going to let Twitter people know, my Twitter followers, that I'm live right now. I'm live streaming right now, tracking severe storms It, North Carolina. Okay, we may even get some new viewers in here. So no word. So no tornado reports from me. That's a good thing. We can always take a look at these storm reports in here. I think it's got a map updated. So it'll update again shortly, hopefully. Let's see here if y'all said anything. No, y'all didn't. I wish I had radar scope on my computer. You all have probably seen the best radar tools that you probably would have ever had. I'll probably get that shortly. It's going to cost a lot of money. It's basically, I think it's like $50 or nearly $100 to buy it on computer. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, let's see here. Seems like the rotation north of Rocky Mount starting to dissipate. Some rotation near Rocky Mount. Seems like these storms here are starting to lose their rotation, so that's a good thing. Who knows? They may get its rotation back, a new area of circulation. Supercells can do that. Having new area of circulation come up. Very strong rotation near Fayetteville. It's about to hit Fayetteville. There better not be a tornado on the ground, because that's right now over Fayetteville right now. So potential tornado or area of strong rotation is now about to hit Fayetteville. There's an area of rotation near just northeast, not too far away from that. It's going to be for this cell here. Seems like that rotation that was for Hillsborough just died out. Now it's more of a damaging wind kind of thing. Very strong rotation near Chapel Hill. That's probably potential tornado signature. Very strong rotation. There's a new tornado warning. This is going to be for South Boston and Halifax here. Very strong rotation. There's a tornado warning for Chatham. Those cities are in Virginia, by the way. New tornado warning. This is going to be going in. This here was near Hickory. Now it seems like it's going to be in for 2 counties. So Taylorsville, Stony Point, and Love Valley is in a tornado warning right now. That also does go along with a severe thunderstorm warning. So that could be a damaging wind type of storm. No tornado warnings in Florida. There is a severe thunderstorm warning near just south of Daytona Beach. There's a severe thunderstorm warning just north of Cape Coral. Expect to see probably a new severe thunderstorm warning get issued for that. There, Jacksonville, Savannah, Charleston, you're all are pretty much in the clear of all this here mess, but North Carolina is not. That's the tornadic area at this point. Seems like we just had a radar update came in. That's what it looks like. So Fayetteville will get very strong rotation. It's starting to get stronger. It may have another area rotation try to come up just south of Broadway. Chapel Hill storm there. Kind of starting to lose a little bit of rotation there. The Chapman rotation area is starting to die down. So the South Boston one is getting stronger, actually. Let's go to the one by Rocky Mount. Yep, new area circulation. Heading right towards South Weldon. New area of circulation there. See, so we're trying to get another area of circulation near Rocky Mount. Another area of circulation potential near Saratoga. These are some active storms here. This here may go on for a while. So here, I'll name the counties here that are in tornado warnings right now. So the active ones. Alrighty, so I'm going to name the counties in North Carolina. So Alexander, Iredell, Cumberland, Harnett. Another one for Cumberland and Harnett. Durham and Orange. Edgecombe, Halifax, and Nash. Let's see here. This is another one. Edgecombe, Nash, and Wilson, Orange, Person, Halifax, and Pennsylvania counties there are in tornado warning. So Pistoley, Pennsylvania County, and or some other county. And where was that? Durham and Orange County, their tornado warnings there will be expiring in 6 minutes. Can I refresh that? So I gotta refresh the page. There you go. There's the new tornado warning back there, and there. I'm not gonna be able to read all the severe thunderstorm warnings. There's so many of them. Same thing goes in for the other ones. Let's see here. Wow, that recitation in Virginia is actually getting very strong now. That could be a tornado on the ground right there, right now. The Chapel Hill one's actually rotation's getting stronger. Fayetteville one has actually gotten stronger. Seems like the rotation there Broadway is dissipated, but the Fayetteville one's actually getting stronger. It may hit the south side of Raleigh. Strong rotation comes up again near Roanoke Rapids. That's going to be heading right towards them. Well, I told you, new air circulation came up. I got a feeling that would happen. So South Boston, you gotta watch South Boston, Virginia. You're gonna have to watch. See, South Boston's like right in there. They're going to have to watch that storm. That's probably I bet there's a tornado on the ground on that one. Let me take a look at Twitter, social media. Usually they'll have posts on there saying if there's a tornado on the ground or not. Same thing goes for radar scope. They even say it. Let's see. Yeah, Ray Timmer seems like he's going to be chasing the Chapel Hill storm. Yeah, that's going to be a dangerous one. I agree. Here, I'm going to go ahead and retweet that. Maybe I'll be able to pop it up for you guys. Let's see here. Way up here. We'll get on my phone here so I can see your all's chat. Okay. Now I can see. Okay. National Garlic Day. Here you go. Here's radar scope for you guys. So here you go. This is what radar scope looks like. If y'all don't know, it's pretty cool. That there's got a tornadic signature there, tornadic signature there. New air rotation coming up from there. that storm there is starting to die down. This one here is getting some very strong rotation there. That rotation there has died out for sure. It's my notifications. Okay. See if I can find that. Go up. See here. So Raleigh, they are in the smack middle. Let's see. Man, where is it at? I thought I retweeted that. Didn't I? Here you go. So that's what it looks like. So that's there at Durham. So there's Chapel Hill there. Very strong air rotation. That rotation up there has died off. That's probably a tornado there. Not gonna joke about that. See if we got any new reports in. No, we don't. Seems like our wind reports are actually going up. We did not have any wind reports 65 plus knots. Surprisingly, there's not much reports in North Carolina. There's a lot in South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. How in the world somebody get a wind report out in the ocean? Look at that. I don't know how. Must be a mesonet or something way out there, I guess. Here's your area again. Tornado. Wait. Oh. I thought that was hatch. I was like, well, that's not good. Your wind there and your hail. Okay, let's look through other days. Tomorrow, nothing. There's potential severe weather for Kansas there. And the 4 to 8 day outlook, I'm pretty sure there's nothing. I've checked this morning. They only do it once a day for the 4 to 8 day outlook. That goes the same for day 3, but not day 2 or 1. Day 1, they updated a lot. Let's see here. I want you all guys to help me out if there's a tornado or not. I'm asking for y'all's help from like social media, anything like that. Right now it's very active. I'm gonna go back to my radar scope. Okay. Rotation is starting to come back. Remember what I said was dying down? Nope, it's not. It's coming back. It's coming back. Fayetteville is just getting stronger and stronger. Gosh. That's a very strong air rotation. Even the one for South Boston got stronger. The Chatham one, seems like there's a new tornado warning issue there. New tornado warning. This is going to be it's going to include Chapel Hill, Hillsborough. Gotta get back in shelter again. They gotta go in shelter twice. If all is clear, nope, it's not. Oh, man. I'm gonna take a look at, see what precipitation's gonna show. Got a nasty there. Look. May even get some hail try to come up. They made that tornado warning on the South Boston one smaller. Okay. New severe thunderstorm warning. This is going to include cities like Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Plainview, Benson, Four Oaks, Midfield, Inger, Fuquay, Vernon, Apex, Garner, and Raleigh, and Zebulon, and Clinton. That's a bow echo right there, just south of Fayetteville. Ooh. The only way I can really tell if there's some serious damage to winds in there is whenever I take a look. Oh yeah, they're barely. Ooh. Wow, you're talking about wind gusts potentially up to 95 miles an hour. Wow. Okay, the Fayetteville. Okay, Fayetteville, you're out of tornado warning. They just cut that off. We probably have a tornado on the ground just north of Fayetteville. The reds there show winds up to 30, but if you go to the other direction, it's more like 105. So there's probably a tornado on the ground there. The South Bend one, if you look into the green, it's like 27 miles an hour, but if you go into the red, however, there's actually some bright orange, it's 90 miles per hour. So, not good there. Serious damaging winds there. Okay, it just updated again. It seems like rotation's starting to calm down there a little bit. There was some very strong rotation there. Dang. Okay, Roanoke Rapids go to shelter. Rotation is probably going to pass to the south of you. So now we're going to have to be... oh. Hold on. Okay. A tornado warning. And this is actually going to go through... This is actually going to be for Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Virginia. So Chesapeake and Portsmouth, go to shelter. You're in a tornado warning. It's going to head right towards Norfolk. It's going to miss Virginia Beach. Okay, good thing I caught that. I'll probably not see that. It kind of blends in with the velocity. New severe thunderstorm warning to the south of Orlando. This we may even got some new storms developing behind all this. There's actually a new severe thunderstorm warning back into South Carolina and North Carolina. That's going to be nearby Asheville. Tornado warning nearby Hickory has been canceled. Good news there. Okay, well, I know where Direct Letter lives. He lives near Virginia Beach. I don't know if it's like if he lives actually on the beach, or he lives, on the, I know he lives in Virginia Beach, but I don't know which side it is, because it could hit on the west side of Virginia Beach. It's heading right towards Norfolk. So there's no good news with that, that's for sure. Well then. Ooh. That rotation is starting to get larger. Okay. New tornado warning. Looks like, yep. New tornado warning. This is going to go for... Wait, no. That's the same one. They just made smaller. Never mind. South Boston, you're about to get hammered by potential tornadoes. In Halifax, go to shelter right now. And I mean that. That's very strong in rotation. We may even have 2 more areas of rotation. Oh my. New area rotation is nearby Rocky Mount, just to the north and southeast of Rocky Mount. Ooh. Starting to get very active. Won't be surprised if a new tornado warning comes up. Well, they probably just make the tornado warning smaller and just extend the timing of it. So Chatham just got hit by a potential tornado. Looks like the rotation getting weaker, which is good for those guys. Hopefully there was not a tornado on the ground with that one. But we can also take a look at social media, so that's key here. That's where I get most of this information from. And I can get information from Radar Scope as well. I think I remember this one here. I think that was a wedge. Yeah, that's what it looks to be. Oh no, never mind. No, that's the Texas supercell that did not even put in a tornado warning. That should have been issued. Don't know why. Let me go back. Here we go. Do tweets. Awesome. Let's see here. Okay. So here's a tornado picture. I don't know where Franklin County is. I think this is in North Carolina. That's a pretty good tornado. Not gonna lie. Ouch. That one. Okay, let's see. Luckily, enhanced tornado threat expected to continue for the next few hours. What's that hatch area even mean? Oh, greatest short-term tornado threat. Okay. So Raleigh is right on the edge of that. But they're in the red zone. So no tornado warning reports yet. Just got a radar update. That's good. Can't tell velocities on the Virginia Beach on that cell. Let's see here. Tornado warning. Man, that rotation is getting stronger nearby South Boston. We may have a new area. Oh, God, that's terrible looking. There's definitely a tornado nearby South Boston. Halifax. I figure about to get hit by a tornado for sure. I think it's their turn. Very strong rotation near Hillsborough. There's a new area rotation that just developed. There's a new tornado warning on that one, actually. That's going to be going for Roxborough. That's probably going to last for an hour because they got another one behind that. So they're going to be in shelter for a while. That's all I'm going to say. The tornado warning that was nearby Chatham seems like that's starting to dissipate. The Fayetteville one still going strong. New tornado warning on that one that's just been issued. This is going to go. 6 is going to hit right towards Lillington. That's not good for them. No other new tornado warnings issued. Okay, I'm going to name. I don't know if I. So here we go. So I'm going to say, okay. Some of these tornado warnings is about to expire in 4 minutes. Quite a bit of them are. The tornado warning nearby Norfolk, it actually does include Norfolk now. It does include Virginia Beach. What? Oh, I could just click. Oh. I did not know I could do that. Alright, let's look for that rotation that's nearby Chesapeake. I think you got two areas. Portsmouth, I think you're going to be in the clear. I think it's going to miss y'all to the east. I mean, west, not east. That'd be terrible if it's on the east. Let's see here. Continue on through. Does anyone of you all said anything yet? 413 has got code. So, hello, Brian 1990. How you doing? Yeah, I know Force 13. I know him. I've watched some of these videos. He's pretty good with hurricane forecasting in the tropics. That's what he likes to do. Let me refresh this page. Yeah. Alright. So there's your tornado warning right there. Here's your severe thunderstorm warning I was talking about there. So many to track. Seems like the potential tornado of Fayetteville. Seems like the area rotation is sort of died down. I'm not gonna go on for this forever because my mouth is starting to hurt from talking a lot. Hmm. Man, that's a strong area rotation near infield. That's gonna expire 1 minute. I think they're gonna probably what they're gonna do is extend the time. It's about to expire 1 minute. Roanoke Rapids just got hit by an area rotation. I don't know if there's a tutorial on that or not, but they got a strong one coming just behind it. Taking the same path too. Halifax just got hit by rotation. That's probably a tornado. Uh, there's another rotation. That rotation there's gotten stronger. So we got multiple areas of strong rotation. Damaging winds. I think the squall one's catching up with this lonely cell. And when they merge, it's going to increase its rotation and intensity. You can tell you got in this bow echo here, velocities are showing potential winds up to 95 miles per hour. That's a lot of wind. That can cause a lot of damage. I think that's a nearly EF1 tornado strength, really. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Alright, Chatham, you're in the clear in Virginia. Very active day. There is one area in particular that's in 3 different tornado warnings. Oh, I'm pretty sure those are. Oh, I think. Those tornado warning boxers are saying there, but it says that they're expired. I don't think so. Okay, the Rocky Mount. Okay, so they let that when they're expired. Roanoke Rapids tornado warning. It's been expired for you guys. Okay, let's see. I just saw another tornado warning expired. South Boston, you're in the clear. Halifax is getting slammed right now. That's not good. Okay, now this is pretty well up there. Fayetteville, they already got slammed by the squall line, so right now they're getting winds from velocity check of winds gusting up to 60 or 70 miles an hour. The squall line itself, the bow echo, which I'm talking about that area, right now it's still going strong with areas of potential reaching 100. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. There's a new severe thunderstorm warning. Lynchburg's in a flash flood warning in Virginia. Oh, new one came in too. So Durham, you're in a severe thunderstorm warning now. That's coming from the squall line, I think. Myrtle Beach has already got slammed. No severe thunderstorm warnings. There is marine special warnings there. Special marine warning. So those are going to expire. One of those is going to expire in about 2 hours. That's a long time. What's the tornado warning near Rocky Mount's going to expire? 27 minutes? I think they should cancel that. Portsmouth one is going to expire in 12 minutes. I think they're going to issue another tornado warning for an area of rotation just south of Roanoke Rapids near infield. I think they're going to issue another one. pretty strong rotation area. It's pretty tight too, so it could be more of a rope tornado potentially. Seems like that strong rotation there, Chapel Hill seems like starting to die down. We may have, oh my. Hillsboro, looks like you got a new area of circulation coming right over you. Oh my gosh. Dude. I can't pronounce this Virginia. Yeah, what? I don't even know how to pronounce that name. You're about to get hit by. There's a stronger circulation coming up. There's a strong circulation coming up behind that, and a weaker one coming behind it. Oh, jeez, man, they're going to watch it very closely because you may have the potential of getting hit by 2 tornadoes. They seriously do. The Fayetteville one, that rotation is starting to die down. The rotation's still there, but it's dying down some. Man. Okay. Let's see what this Boeca looks like now. Still going pretty strong there. There's a severe thunderstorm warning all the way up into West Virginia, but it's getting close to Maryland. Just got an update with the velocity scan. Let's see what the winds are now. Let's see here. Let me close that color. So it's showing 100-mile-an-hour wind gust. Oof, it's rough. Wind gust showing from these strong area rotation areas. Talking about winds closing in at 85 miles per hour. So, yeah, it's probably stronger than you think, though.